welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, TikTok made me to do this video, guys. Recently I saw a makeup challenge video on TikTok and which I found so unique. I could not wait myself to do this challenge, and let me show you the video first. Basically, take a eyeshadow palette, give them a number and just put it in the bag or whatever, and then just shake it and pick 3 numbers and do your eyeshadow. That's it. So let's get to the video now. So I have done my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna take this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. So this palette, it has 35 colors, 35 shades. I'm gonna give them a number like 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna put all the numbers in this makeup pouch. Okay, yeah, here, and I'm just gonna do, and let's pick the 3 number, and I'm gonna pick the 3 numbers. Okay, let's see, 5 and 7, 11. Okay, I just picked the 5, 7 and 11. Yeah, 5, 7, 11. Oh my god, so crazy. Color is 5 number and 7 and 11 are nude. Oh my god, let's see. So I have primed my lid, so let's do the eye makeup. Okay, first I'm gonna pack this color, this number 7 on my lid. And then I'm gonna take this tiny brush and I'm just gonna blend the edges just like this. With the same brush, I'm gonna take this number 11 shade, this one here, as a transition color. And I'm just gonna pack more here on my lid and this outer corner here. Again, taking the same brush and number 11, this transition shade. Again, number 5 and the same brush, and just defining this outer corner. Picking this number 5 shade, this one, so crazy color. I'm gonna add this color in my inner corner, like here. Oh my god. What? I'm gonna do another eye off camera. I have done my another eye off camera, and I think it's not the full face makeup tutorial, it's just only the eye makeup TikTok challenge. So I'm gonna do my full face makeup off camera, and then I'm gonna back and I'm gonna showing you the whole makeup, and I'm gonna add some eyelashes and I'll look back. Guys, I did my face and yeah, face lipstick. I'm gonna pick this 7 number color with this flat brush. for my lower lash line. And then this brush. I'm gonna pick this number 5, this shade again, and to just lighten the shade. I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lash line. Yeah, that's it. Yeah guys, that's the final look. The eyes, I mean, I haven't done this kind of eye makeup before. I think it turns pretty much okay. I like the eye makeup. So what do you think about this look, guys? Would you like to try this makeup challenge or not? Let me know in the comment section. But I enjoy a lot. It's a different experience, you know, like different kind of fun to do challenge videos. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also leave comment and subscribe to my channel. That's it. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy, guys. Bye. Love you.